So this is the process I basically follow. I create the image, that is viral YouTube thumbnail image, by using ChatGPT, and then I use Canva to resize that image, and then I upload that image as a YouTube thumbnail in the YouTube video. So this is the process I basically follow. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a viral clickbait YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos using ChatGPT and Canva. Well, let us say you have one of the YouTube video and you want to create a YouTube thumbnail. For example, let me take one of my YouTube video over here. So here, how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. So this is my YouTube video, and I'm going to show you step by step how to create a viral YouTube thumbnail image for this video using ChatGPT, and how to resize that YouTube thumbnail using Canva. And then we'll also see how to upload that YouTube thumbnail to this particular video. Okay, so let us copy this YouTube video title first. Next, let us head over to the ChatGPT over here. And by the way, here I am going to use ChatGPT Plus, which is a paid version of ChatGPT and bit faster. You can just try it out using ChatGPT free version as well. So here in a chat, just type the prompt, create a landscape image, create a landscape YouTube thumbnail image for a YouTube video titled how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. This should be a thumbnail. So if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail for your videos, you can just replace the title over here. Okay, and you can use your video title like this. Now let us submit this prompt, and here let us wait a minute. So ChatGPT usually takes 1 or 2 minutes to generate the image as per our requirement. So just wait a minute. And there we go, ChatGPT successfully created a YouTube thumbnail image over here. Next, in order to download this image, just click on this download icon over here. And now we have downloaded the image. Next, let us resize this image to fit into YouTube thumbnail. Well, ChatGPT generated image don't have a fixed size. So this size is basically don't fit into a YouTube thumbnail. We have to resize it as per the YouTube thumbnail resolution. For that we are going to use the Canva tool. Okay, so go to the canva.com over here and just log into canva.com. It is free. So once you log in, just click on this YouTube thumbnail over here. Next, just drag and drop image over here. So go to the download section and just drag and drop the image, and next resize the image over here. And if you can notice the ChatGPT generated image size over here, it is not fitting inside this YouTube thumbnail resolution, right? That's why you can't directly use this image as a YouTube thumbnail in the video. We have to resize it. And again, one more thing is the YouTube thumbnail image size should be less than 2 MB, but sometimes the ChatGPT generated image is more than 2 MB. That's why we are using Canva to make this image as a YouTube thumbnail. Next, here this part is remaining, so let us drag up to this, and here also let us drag up to this. Now you can see the image looks good. Next, let us give a name to this image, how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. Next, click on this share icon, click on this download PNG and just download it. And there we go. Now we have successfully downloaded the YouTube thumbnail image. Next, go to the video, and here for this video I am going to add a YouTube thumbnail, right? So click on the edit video over here and go to the thumbnail section, and here click on these 3 dots and then click on upload file and go to the folder where your image is downloaded. In my case it is in a downloads folder. I am going to select the image, click on open, and you can see YouTube thumbnail is uploading and is uploaded successfully. Next, click on save button. That's it. We have successfully uploaded the viral YouTube thumbnail to the existing YouTube video. So this is the process I basically follow. I create the image that is viral YouTube thumbnail image by using ChatGPT, and then I use Canva to resize that image, and then I upload that image as a YouTube thumbnail in the YouTube video. So this is the process I basically follow, and I do recommend this process because it will save a lot of time. If you manually create the YouTube thumbnail, it will take a lot of time. Okay, great. I will see you in the next video.